Okay, so here's the new wheels and tires. I just got off the run today. They are, I don't know, they're kind of like slots. I know a lot of you guys are going to think these are like old man wheels, and you're probably right, but I'm an old man, so go after yourselves. This is what I got. For tires, I got 275 60-15s out back, BFG Goodrich, or BF Goodrich, I guess. And up front, I got 225 70-15. Now, the wheels all the way around are 15 by 6, and I think it's 4.5 inch back spacing. I'll confirm that though. I'll probably put it in here somewhere. I will say this. I took it out of the garage and I thought I heard something on the driver's side go click, click, click. I'm thinking I may have a wheel weight rubbing on the caliper as it rotates. I'll have to check into that and get back to you. That aside, we have 4.5 inches of drop, 15-inch wheels, everything clears, like there's no scraping or anything. I think the look is good. The back hasn't been dropped at all, although I think my rear springs are sagged out. And the front is 2-inch coils and 2.5-inch spindles. Personally, I really like the stands. Of course, I may be a little biased. It's my junk, right? So I just want to do a quick video to show you guys what I ended up with for wheels and tires. This thing's got a long ways to go, so that's not the end of her. But we'll get more at her a little bit later. What's all over there? It's like drywall. Weird. Anyway, I'm just going to cut it for this one. I have got to get to work. I'll be back next week, and I will get some more videos up for you. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.